Today, I will tell you why I'm bullish on Bitcoin while everybody is bearish. I will give you also update about my one Bitcoin trading challenge where I show people how to make one Bitcoin just by trading, starting by a very, very small amount, and how can you participate. And also, I will show you how you can get access to my trading algorithm that can trade for you 24/7. And if you want to trade yourself, I give you also access to my trading indicator. And as you know me, totally for free. I'm making money with crypto. I earn trading. I don't have to charge you anything for anything. So I'm here now in Bangkok. My family is still sleeping. It's very early in the morning. I'm here like from 6:30 in the morning on the beach, I would say, on the pool, and working a little bit, checking the charts. And I've seen that Bitcoin have done exactly what I have told you. If you have seen my last videos, just stay tuned. I will show you exactly what was the move. I will tell you what's about my trade, my one Bitcoin challenge. And I will tell you how I will prepare for my next trade, where I will enter, where I will take profit. How can you do exactly the same? On the end of the video, I will give you access to my trading group totally for free with you all this information. But as of now, check here. I have moved this trend line a little bit, and if you have seen my video, say, oh no, yeah, no, he moved the trend line, oh look, he's just changing. No, the trend line was like this. Okay, and I told you, yeah, here we had a little fake out, then we will liquidate all those people that think, oh, it's a down, it's a retest, we go down. No, we liquidated them here. I told you that there was a fair value gap because we was just here like hitting to the upside. I told you this fair value gap have to be closed. It was closed. Then we went up again, liquidated all the people that thought, oh, we'll touch this trend line, and went up, down. Finally, I told you that we will for sure take the liquidity of this candle. We have taken it. You see here a little fake out. Now we are going up. So now I have decided that I think it makes more sense to draw this trend line like this. And you have to understand, if you want to be a professional trader, a profitable trader, you have to be able to change your bias, to say, hey, you know what, I think this doesn't make sense anymore. I think it would be better like this and like that. There are so many traders that think, oh no, I've said this once and I have to stay to my bias. There's so many people, also YouTubers, that lost tons of followers. For example, I give you a very, very exact example. Data Dash, he was always bearish in the beginning of the bull market, saying, oh, we're going to 10,000 to 8,000. And then all his followers lost a lot of money because the bull market was starting. Bitcoin was pumping to 20 to 30 to 40 to 50. He was still saying, oh, it's going down. And that's the problem. So you as a trader must be able to change your bias. And so what's my bias now? I think that we liquidated a lot of longs. People thought, okay, that's the trend line. Yeah, okay, now we took the liquidity also of the people that got their stop loss here. Okay, they're all liquidated, positions closed. Now it makes sense to heat up very, very quick. And you see here there's 3 candles, 1, 2, 3. Here was a fair value gap. The fair value gap now is closed. Maybe we do a little retest of this line here, and then we will go up. There's another fair value gap on 70,300 will be closed. I think this is maybe where I could take the profit, but there is another fair value gap, and maybe just if we touch this, on 71 whatever, this could be already a good take profit. Okay, so if you're not in a long position, I don't know if it makes sense right now. Maybe the risk is too high, because where would you take your stop loss? You must take a stop loss here, at least here at 65. We're already 68, it's 3,000. It doesn't make sense. If you buy a spot, yeah, that's good. But for leverage trading, no, I would not do this. I'll tell you later my plan and how you can participate in the one Bitcoin challenge. So what I think now is we close at least this fair value gap. We'll have at least a little retrace. Then we go up here. As I showed you this, it's still very valid, So what I think, yeah, maybe something like this. No, it's not like this. Yeah, I'll leave it like this. We will go up. We will close this fair value gap. Maybe have a little retrace. Go up. Liquidate the people from this candle. Take the liquidity of this candle, making people think, oh yeah, we go to the moon or we go to 100. Bear market's over, and then go down here to 48,000. I will show you something that I've seen here, and it's on YouTube against Wall Street. Pointed it out. This is 2022 bull market. You can see here we had a strong pump, a strong dump, then a strong pump that was with prices above the first pump, then a strong dump that went almost to the levels of the first dump when we went to the upside to the bull market dump, another very strong dump, a relief rally, and then a final dump. Okay, so 2026, a very strong pump, very strong dump. Later, another dump that is above the first pump price, brings the price above first pump. Strong dump, relief rally, another strong dump, and then relief rally. And this is where I think we are now. So, and against Wall Street, put it here like with 50, I think we can go way lower, because if you see this here from the 2022, look where it starts, where the pump starts and where the pump ends, almost in the same area, you know. And look here, the pump really started way below, you know. So I think there will be a lot of more to come. Here are my Bitcoin trades. I always try to make 5 or 6% and to get to 1 Bitcoin. Follow me here in English, Ronnie Talks Crypto. Please take a screenshot. Write me a comment if you want my trading algorithm, if you want my trading indicator, if you want my group, the trading group, the free trading group where I share the signals for the 1 Bitcoin challenge. Please check good the spelling. I will never ask you for money. I have nothing to sell. I will never ask you for a single cent. If you send a single cent to anybody, it's not me. Trust me. If you said, oh, let's say if you send it to me, you will lose it. Why? Because it's not me. Okay. So yeah, I think that's all for today. Now I will keep going here, and I will tell you about my 1 Bitcoin trading challenge. I have deposited 0.001 Bitcoin. It's like $680, $700 as of now. You can also do this. I have a group, and I share there every time. I do 1 trade at a time. I do not 2 trade, 4 trades, or Bitcoin against whatever. No, Bitcoin against dollar, and I trade them with leverage, with a very small leverage, a 3x leverage. Why? Because when I see there was a dump, I enter in a long. And if there was a dump already, it's very hard that from there goes 30% below. You know, and if I see a real good pump, I open a short. And if it's a real good pump, it's very hard that we will go 30% from there to the upside. So I do not use the stop loss. I just use a 3x leverage. I will go with the leverage down as more money I have. And also I will show you the exact rules of this challenge in the group. You can participate. Just put me a comment here. Oh, look, this bird. I think they want to jump in the pool here also. Put me a comment. Send me your Twitter handle. So then can I can filter the message and can include you in the group. If you want the trading algorithm, yeah, send me a message here and then in Twitter or to find you, because I have hundreds of messages there, you know. And also if you want my trading indicator that shows you where to sell, where to buy, then same procedure. Okay. Yeah, look, I'm now here in Bangkok. I think I will stay for a little. Dubai now, it's for me too uncertain. It's not dangerous. It's not, oh yeah, you have to leave. No. I have so many friends there and they are happy. They're drinking coffee every day and go to the beach. But there is still a risk. So you get trapped, you cannot travel or whatever, and that's not good for me. I always have to be flexible, be able to jump back and forth, to be today here, tomorrow there. Oh look here, that's so nice. You know, so if you are now seeing this video and you're stuck in a situation where you say, oh, I don't feel good at this, I'm burned out, I want to travel like Ronnie, I want to take my family just to Bali, to Thailand, to a nice beach, to whatever, or I want just have $2,000 more every month and I want to make this extra money so my family can have a better life, because all these corrupt politicians they are taking our money, they are robbing it, they are using it for their own expenses or whatever, then I give you a very, very, very important advice. Stay calm, okay? You win nothing with like, oh, think about it and be angry. No, stay calm. There's always a solution, okay? I can give you the trading algorithm, I can give you the trading signals, I can give you access to my trading group. It's all for free. I will not charge you a single cent. So you just have to put in the time. Oh, they are doing so much noise. Hey, what happened? Please, I'm doing a video. And then eventually you will make more money and more money and more money. And this money you don't spend just like this. No, you compound, you compound, you compound. Let's say if you have trading algorithms or use copy trading, or you use also the trading indicator or my signals in a signal group, and you're disciplined and you have time, you're patient, you can make money every day, every day. You compound it, you make more money and more money and money. And then at one point you say, okay, now I'm making more money than I'm making my job. I quit my job, I take my family, I go. I keep going to do the same thing that I'm doing now, but 8 hours a day, not like 2 hours a day, and from a beach in Bali, knowing that my family is there in a beach club, having a nice dinner, and yeah, you know. So that's my advice for you. Stay calm, be patient, be disciplined. Calm, patient, discipline. If you do combine this, you must get rich. You must get rich. I'm not saying, oh, in 1 week and 2 weeks, no. But if you stay calm, if you stay disciplined, if you put in the work, and you are patient, you say, oh no, that's not working, oh no, oh that's very small money now, and yeah, look, now I'm doing this trades, I make 5% a day, not a day, but in every trade with the Bitcoin. I will explain you. I have bought 0.001 Bitcoin. This is the least you need to start this challenge. If you have this, you can start a challenge, okay? And then I look for trades at a 3x leverage, a 1.5% move, and I try to make 5%. Each and every time I will add 5%. 5%. Maybe that's a spy. A pigeon. Pigeon? How do you call it? Pigeon? Maybe they have a camera or something like this. And then eventually this amount is more and more. From 1,000, 5%. It's just $50. So you might say, oh, why should I put all the time, the effort just for $50? Yeah, it's now $50. But if you compound, eventually, very soon, next thing you know, it is $500, it's $5,000, it's $50,000. You know? Anyway, if you want to participate in this challenge, yeah, send me a comment here, and send me a comment on Twitter. I will include you in the group. Take very much care. I will keep going, traveling here in Bangkok, Thailand, and I will keep you updated. Take care. Bye.